Mr. Sirsa, no relief for Manish Sisodia from the Supreme Court. He's been directed to approach the Delhi High Court and follow the procedure. Your reaction, sir?
Yesterday I was on one of the TV for a debate and I said that it is written on the wall, no court can give him a relief. For reason being, there is a direct evidence, though today Supreme Court has not taken up the case on merit. It simply said that it won't be appropriate for us to take up the case directly without going to High Court. So you should not come directly to Supreme Court, rather go to High Court. But at the same point, they have shown their all urgency and all the documents which the Honorable Supreme Court has not appreciated. So first of all, it's a big setback for Manish Sisodia, and secondly, it's also a very clear-cut case. As this Arvind Kejriwal is shouting day and night, कोई सबूत ही नहीं है जी, मैंने सारे सबूत देख लिए जी, वहाँ तो सबूत ही नहीं है. So rather it would have been good if Arvind Kejriwal had tell this to the court also कि कोई सबूत ही नहीं है जी. तो अब तो आपको पता चल गया कि बहुत सारे सबूत हैं जी और sufficient सबूत हैं उसको अरेस्ट करने के लिए. That is the reason he is behind bar, because the agency got a sufficient evidence also, and even the Supreme Court has not intervened and or had in fact categorically said that you should move to the High Court, not to the Supreme Court.
But Mr. Sirsa, the Supreme Court did not go into the merits of the case. The Supreme Court was only on the aspect of procedure, saying approach the High Court, follow procedure, exhaust all remedies. The Aam Aadmi Party continues to maintain there is no evidence and that the CBI is acting as an extension of the government. Respond to that charge, sir. The Aam Aadmi Party says there is no evidence against Manish Sisodia of any wrongdoing.
So this is very important, and you also need to understand there have been a specific case. One was of one of the editor of a national news channel who was arrested by Maharashtra police, and he was released after the intervention of Supreme Court because there was no evidence. He need not to go to High Court. Second, the last and the latest incident is, if you remember, a couple of days back, when this Mr. The Congress spokesperson, skipped my mind, he was immediately released by the Supreme Court when he was arrested by the Assam police on the charges of using a foul language against the Honorable Prime Minister's family and his late father. So it is not that Supreme Court usually do not intervene. There are various instances where Supreme Court has intervened, but in this particular case, they said that you need to exhaust your remedies in High Court, and thereafter only you can come to Supreme Court. It means that Supreme Court is also feeling that there is some evidence on the record which High Court should first of all see, and then they should come to the Supreme Court.
Is this, in your view, now are there grounds, as the opposition, and of course your party says Arvind Kejriwal should take action against Manish Sisodia, because Arvind Kejriwal has taken absolutely no action even against Satyendra Jain. So what is the BJP strategy now?
No, we definitely will to keep on asking and we'll protest again for this also. But one thing is very clear, Arvind Kejriwal cannot take a stand against Manish Sisodia for reason being, maybe Manish Sisodia or Satyendra Jain, all three of them are together. When it comes to the kickbacks, they have distributed that. He was well aware of the fact that these kickbacks are used for Goa and